Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving season to you. Today we are going to talk smoked turkey on a ceramic grill using our single-use brine kit with the brine, turkey thyme seasoning, and the bag. Also using a compound turkey thyme butter that we're going to make. All right guys, we got our turkey. It is fully thawed. Now it is time to get it brined. So we've got our new single-use brine kit. Check this thing out, guys. Look, got all instructions on the back, QR code where you can link to it. So it comes with our new signature brine package. So this is 1 cup of brining mixture that you're gonna add to a gallon of water. Everything's already pre-measured for you. Super easy to use. Then we've got our turkey thyme. Yes, our turkey thyme seasoning. New seasoning in this kit. Make sure you check it out. It's about 2.5 ounces of that. Perfect for 1 whole bird. And then we've got our brining bag that we're actually gonna get water in, get the seasoning in, get this bird in. It's gonna go into our Yeti cooler. We're gonna top it with ice and let her take a nap for about 24 hours. See you in a minute. All right, we've had our turkey brining in the cooler for 24 hours. Now it's time, we gotta get that off, get it in our tray, get it patted dry and off to the fridge for another 24 hours so that we can dry out that skin. Another question we get all the time is, can I reuse my brine solution? So listen guys, this is a single-use kit. We recommend each one you actually start a new solution to put it in, just for cross-contamination. You wanna get the freshest, best product into that turkey. So we recommend just 1 use per turkey. All right guys, off to the fridge for another 24 hours. Turkey has now dried for 24 hours in the fridge. We've got it all patted down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of our turkey thyme compound butter that we made earlier, get some underneath the skin, and then we'll get it sprayed down, seasoned up, and on the KJ to cook. All right, so all we're gonna do is you're just gonna run your finger up underneath. And what we did is we made a bunch of compound butter. We pulled a little bit aside, that way we're not cross-contaminating when we go back in. We've got another supply inside. This does a couple things. A, we're gonna get that butter underneath. It's gonna be cooking that skin from the inside. Plus it's gonna separate that skin from the turkey, which is gonna help to dry it out. All right, get you a little pad there. All right guys, butter is underneath the skin. Look, clean, dry gloves, very good. We're learning lessons here. All right, today for the outdoor grill, we're actually gonna use some Wagyu beef tallow. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna give this a light coat so that turkey thyme seasoning sticks better. All right. Remember, single use. So once you're done with this, it'll use it for the whole turkey. We always want to start with the bottom, just because that's what's going to be on the grill. You're not going to get much of a bark, but we want every bit of it seasoned. All right. Look at that. First of all, you've got all those herbs in there, that sugar, which is going to get nice and caramelized. Oh man, so good. All right, look at that, perfect. 1 pack goes the whole way. All right, now time for the grill. All right, guys, we've got our Kamado Joe set up. It's actually set up for indirect cooking. So we've got our plate setters in there. Got our Jealous Devil charcoal running. And then we've got some cherry wood chunks is what we're going with. So there's different things. You can use pecan, apple. We at Lanes love our cherry. So we smoke everything with it. So why stop now? So we've got 2 chunks in there. We've got the grill set at, actually, we're gonna cook it at 325 degrees. We've got the grill currently set at 375. Once you put that cold bird on there, your temp's gonna start dropping. So what we wanna do is start a little bit higher so we settle right into that 325. All right, time to go on. All right, guys, we've got a turkey season. We actually tucked the wings behind it, so it's like this. I think when it's set on the KJ, it's actually gonna sit a little flatter. All right. We got the grill set up for indirect. Put this bad boy on. There we go. Yeah, so the wings, the way that they're set up, the tips are probably gonna burn, but that's okay, but at least it'll sit a little bit flatter. All right, time to go sleep. All right, guys, we've got our brined and smoked turkey, just came off the ceramic grill. While we let this rest for a little bit, we just wanted to thank you again for checking out the video. We're wishing you guys a very blessed Thanksgiving season, and we're gonna show you how to carve this turkey. Just go check out the next video. We'll see you soon.